Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and turn our mobile data off and on in the settings. So the best way to do that is by going into the settings. Now here in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go and open up connections. If you're not already here, you need to open it. And here we have SIM Manager, mobile networks, and here we basically have everything. But we're interested in the SIM Manager. Here we have our SIM card, and as you guys can see, here we have our mobile data. We can turn it off completely. We can put it as SIM 1, or we can just go over here and click on those two lines. So those two arrows, one going down and the second one going up, is basically our mobile data. So here we can also disable it. Now what are we gonna do after we turn it off and on? We're gonna go and check the access point names. So here we have our connections. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to mobile networks, and here we have access point names. Here, as you guys can see, we got the play internet for me. Here we can click on it, but what are we gonna do is we're simply gonna delete it. And as you guys can see, now whenever I turn my Wi-Fi off, I will not have a working network. Of course, it will still show it as a working network, but it just won't work. Here, click on three dots and click on reset to default. Now we're gonna click reset, and as you guys can see, our 5G is back. It is working properly. And you also want to make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted. So if you cannot access those settings, if you go over and in your SIM manager, you do not have a SIM card, or you get some type of errors, make sure that you check your SIM card and make sure that it is properly inserted. So let me just go over and show you how to do that. Here we have the SIM tray opener. Now we're just going to put our SIM tray opener right here. And we're gonna push it out. We should see the check SIM card tray, and we should enter it like this. You want to make sure that your card fits perfectly, and of course we're gonna put it back and make sure that it is flat so that it actually reads the card. Now, as you guys can see, everything is done. We should probably wait and check if it all works just fine. You should see some at least some notification that your SIM card is okay after a while. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna restart our phone. So the way I do that is I scroll down to the control center, not the notifications but the control center, click on the power icon, and here we want to go and tap on restart. Tap again to restart the phone, and now it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After we restart our Samsung, what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply unlock it first. After unlocking it, we're gonna go and swipe down to the control center and make sure that we enable and disable the airplane mode, because it refreshes the entire signal. It's communicating to the closest tower cell, and we can get much better signal, and we can still recover our mobile data. Here, what are we going to do next is we're going to go to settings. In the settings, we want to swipe down until we see the general management, and here we have a lot of options, but we're interested in reset. Now we're going to click on reset mobile network settings. Click reset settings, and we have to confirm it with our password if you have one. If you don't, then you will be prompted to go to the reset here, and you see the confirmation on your screen. And that's how you guys can easily fix your mobile data not working. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one, and bye.